They say I suppose get a soft nyash. Then some say my nyash say if you crack a palm kernel. I say I no mind now. All the squats, why the squats? Now make the nyash strong. Some go say, see your muzzle. The man where go approach me, no be man. Say na man where they do man. Because to some people I'm a mystery. I no be woman. There's some they even think say I get something for down. One go tell me say they never raped me before. Say if they rape me they go straight. I know for what? Wetin I do you? The kind bully, internet bully that I go through on the daily. Used to say my skin no tight, no strong. I for don't tie, but God will create me. You know wetin I go face for this life. Now make him give me the kind heart where he give me, the kind skin where he give me. So anyway, where they come from, I dey kampe. I go pass like this, people go they look me like say I carry shit for body. I say na only muscle now I get. It can't be like saying a crime for a woman to have muscle. I no be the person where say, oh, because of who I am, I won't be man. I no want be man. There's nothing there to be. This is how it's my personal goal. It is my personal appearance, and I love it. My mama and papa give me Chichi Igbo. Na football, I start with. I play football for over 18 years and I play for the same team. From football, I can enter into fashion designing. Then from there, personal trainer. Some families feel that if you're playing football, you're wasting your time because your chances of making it out there is so slim. Then it can't be woman. My papa tell me say, if na football, I won't take become person. Say I no go be anybody for this life. You see that talk? That was my motivation. You could make me. I'm proud and happy to say that before my dad passed, he took those words back. He told me that he was proud of me. That little girl that you said that would not amount to anything because she wants to play football. So I want to encourage anybody out there, believe in yourself. I beg Munapa don't say I get emotional because this thing I never ever bring them out. But I won't tell people, make them know say you can do it. From 2011, you know, saying around that time, 9 blog starts. You go see comments. You go see comments, my sister. You go see where your fellow human being go carry you, tear you apart. He go tell you say your father make mistake, born you, saying for wasting sperm. I don't understand why in 2020 I'm still going through the same ridicule that I went through 2011. Some people call me outcast. They for waiting just because say I did 3. I'm masculine. I dey work out. I love that pump. It's something for me and I am proud. Let's broaden our horizon. Social media is supposed to they open our eye, but we go just they throw the things where social media they try to implant in your brain, you know go one learn. Now the negative thing to they follow people apropos, they go person page, they go through and they tell and say you be who's, you be that, you be. You don't know how many lives where people they kill. Just to they type, they switch you. People they take as you they type them, people they take their own life. You don't know. You're a murderer. Typing. It needs to stop. You're a cyber killer. So this is who I be, Chichi, the extraordinary, the masculine, the ab mistress, the girl that says that she is who she is. I be who I be, and I'm dead proud of who I be. Whether you like me or you don't like me, I go be this chified. The only difference is I'm gonna be better, and I'm gonna be buffer.